Hey guys, Rod Sandoll here. It's about March 4th of 2023 and I'm building a rack to hold the sanding belts or the grinding belts for our grinder. So what I'm going to do is I've got a 4.5 by 3/4 inch board, and I've got pegs that I'm going to put in it every 9 inches all the way through the length of the board. It's 79 inches long, and this is to hold our sanding belts or grinding belts. So what I'm going to do is I cut these pegs at 4.5 inches. I'm going to take a Forstner bit, 1.25 inch diameter, and I'm going to drill in to this big board every 9 inches a hole that's about 1/2 inch deep. When I get them all set up, I'm going to take the pegs, set in the hole, drill through to center a screw hole in the back. When I'm all done, I'll take the peg and glue in the holes, set the peg in, and screw in from the back side to tighten it. When it's finished, it should be glued and screwed, and it should be durable, way more durable than I'll need to hang these grinding belts, but it'll last a long time. And I'm gonna bolt it up to the top of my shelves here so that we can reach up and grab the grinder belts we need by grip. Okay, we're going to drill the holes in the board to put our pegs in. I'm using a drill guide with a 3/8 inch drill, and this is a Forstner 1.25 inch bit. I'm gonna drill these into the big board. Okay. Right, now we're here at the work, and I'm starting to drill the 1.25 inch hole to put the pegs in. Okay. All right, we have drilled our Forstner 1.25 inch holes for the pegs, these pegs. Now I want to drill through with this bit in order to make a hole in the center to screw through from the back. I flip the board over, and this bit makes a nice hole back here on this back side so that the screws here will screw in and hold the pegs once they're glued. Now I drill a hole from the back side into the dowel to get a pilot hole. For the screw to set into. So here it's started. That hole is drilled, ready for glue and screw. Okay, I'm now gluing and screwing each one of the dowels into the board. Screw, glue, okay, I'm now gluing and screwing each of the dowels into the main board. The wood glue, screw, set them Set the peg into the hole. Make sure it gets good glue coverage. And turn it over. And screw in from the back. Okay.